Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying safety and baseline readings. Confirm the car is stationary in neutral with the handbrake set and the engine warmed up to normal temperature. Next, scan for obvious issues, vacuum leaks, loose throttle cables, or low battery voltage. That will skew RPM adjustments. Once done, connect your tachometer or OBD-ROMAN2 reader and note current idle RPM. Make sure you have the service manual target, RPM, and the correct adjustment points identified before touching any screws or sensors. You'll proceed to change the control that actually sets idle. For a mechanical throttle, make small quarter turns on the idle screw and observe RPM stabilization. Pause between adjustments. For electronic throttle control, use the recommended diagnostic tool to adjust base idle or perform throttle relearn procedures. Do not force the throttle plate. While adjusting, monitor IAC valve counts and MAF or TPS readings. These sensors explain why RPM drifts. If values are out of range, correct the sensor or seal vacuum leaks. Finish by ensuring the engine holds the target RPM under real conditions. Warm idle, cold start, and with accessories on. You should run a short drive test and then recheck idle to confirm consistency. If the RPM hunts or surges, systematically troubleshoot. Inspect vacuum lines and intake gaskets for leaks, test IAC and MAP sensors, verify TPS calibration, and perform ECU relearn. One quick tip: if adjustments don't stick, replace the most suspect sensor before recalibrating. Contaminated IACs and failing MAP sensors commonly cause recurrence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.